Welcome to Unit 3 of the VizLab training videos. This unit covers navigation within VizLab. Our goals for this session are to learn how to access VizLab, understand what resources are available to you on the VizLab website, and learn some basic navigation skills within VizLab. In order to access VizLab, first click Employees from the VBSD homepage, vbsd.org. Then select VizLab. You will now reach the vizlab.vbsd.org homepage. What can you do from the VizLab website? Click the computer icon to log into VizLab. You can also get help by submitting an IT support ticket. Click the link on our website or go to bbsd.easyvista.com to contact the IT help desk. The FAQ section has helpful answers to frequently asked VizLab questions. You can also learn about updates and see tips and tricks from our website. In order to log into VizLab, please be sure to use the secure BBSD network. This is the default network when you are connecting from any district building. Use your usual BBSD credentials in the single sign-on portal to be connected to VizLab. Note that you can log into VizLab remotely from outside of a BBSD building, and you must use the BBSD Virtual Private Network, or VPN. Instructions are linked here and on the vizlab.vbsd.org website. Welcome to VizLab. Once you log into VizLab, the first page you will see is the Welcome Workbook. Here's a tip. Click the up arrow in the top right corner of the screen to minimize the top menu. You will not need this menu to navigate your student data. All of your workbooks are linked below in a visual menu. Click on a workbook image to navigate to that workbook. Use the Student Profile search bar on the right to quickly search for a student and open their individual student profile. Click the blue link here for navigation tips and tricks. Here are a few simple tips to help you get the most out of VizLab. First, hover over your data. Hovering brings up something called a tooltip that shows more details and information about that data point. Be sure to click on data points in a view to make selections, filter your data, and get links. For example, you can follow this blue link to see the student profile. Click again on the same area to deselect. And finally, filter your data using menus along the top and/or right side of a view. Try it out in the Welcome Workbook. In the upper right corner of every VizLab data view, you will see these 5 icons that we call the touchstones. The touchstones provide more information in multiple areas. The location point is a Start Here. This icon will give basic information about the dashboard, what data it combines, and other pertinent information for the user. The next icon is the Measures. This icon will give basic information about the specific data sources, as well as provide resources to learn more information about those data. The green icon is titled Questions to Ask. This icon will prompt the user with questions to consider while utilizing the workbook. We have a data schedule icon, which will let you know when and how often the data are updated. And finally, a feedback link. This will help you connect with the VizLab team with questions, comments, or feedback. If you need to undo, redo, revert, or refresh, these options are available to you. Undo and redo are similar to your browser back and forward buttons. Revert can be used if you make changes to the view and wish to get back to the original version of the view. And refresh comes into play if we're connected to live data and you need to refresh the data since the time that you opened the view. This option is less commonly used. To expand a view, click Full Screen at the far right of the toolbar. To return to the view at the previous size, press Escape. If you want to download data from VizLab, at the top of the view, click Download. select one of the following options. Image downloads a screenshot of your current view in a .png image format. PDF downloads a screenshot of your current view in a PDF format. And Crosstab downloads the selected data in your current view to a .csv spreadsheet file, which can then be opened in Excel or Google Sheets. Please click here or see the guide on our website or in the Welcome Workbook to see the illustrated instructions for how to download a Crosstab spreadsheet. Let's review. You now know how to access and log into VizLab. You've seen some of the resources available to you on the VizLab website, and you've learned some basic navigation skills to dive in with your data in VizLab.